today's world, the primary requirement when we're looking at the candidates is not just the core skills. It goes beyond that. We are looking at people who are holistic, who bring in much more than their financial skill set or financial management skill sets. What Habib University candidates bring to us is a holistic model. They are very good in their subject skills. They are great team workers. They also are cultural carriers. They are exceptional actually. We need people who can show empathy to the surroundings and who can take the organization to the next level through creativity and through their out-of-box thinking. We get all that from Habib University.